This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already need admin rights for both the page and the group. Once you confirm that, open your page and go straight to Page Settings or Manage. Next, find the Linked Groups or Templates and Tabs area. This is where Facebook exposes the control. Click Add Group and search for the group name or paste its URL. Make sure the group appears as selectable. If you don't see it, double-check membership and group privacy because closed settings can block selection. Once you select the group, Facebook will prompt for permissions and role confirmations. Accept these to let the page post or moderate. Then go into the group settings and under Linked Pages, confirm the page is listed. If not, reinitiate linking from the group side. Make sure you set whether the page can post as itself or interact via admins. This controls visibility and moderation power. Verify notification settings so you don't miss group activity. These choices determine how content flows between page and group. To finish, perform a live test. Create a post on the page and choose to share to the linked group, then confirm visibility and comment permissions. If the post doesn't appear, make sure you remain an admin on both entities and that the group's privacy allows page linking. When problems persist, clear browser cache, try another browser or device, or remove and re-add the link. Sometimes Facebook's UI needs refresh. If nothing works, temporarily change group privacy to private, then back to public and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.